There's a giant hiding in the woods of West Charlotte. He's 65 feet tall, made entirely of discarded wood, and he's guarding a secret. Today, we're hunting Big Pete with the big feet. But we aren't just here to look at a roadside attraction. We're here because Pete is holding 1/7 of a puzzle that spans the entire state of North Carolina. He's wearing a necklace, and on that necklace is a code. If we can get close enough to read it, we're one step closer to finding the legendary grandmother tree. Let's go find a giant. We went to the New River District area of Charlotte. This is the latest installation by Danish artist Thomas Dambo. He builds these massive trolls all over the world out of recycled wood, pallets, and fallen branches. Look at the size of this lad. In Norse myths, trolls, or Jotnar, were not cute little dolls with bright hair. They were elemental forces. They were giants made of stone and ice that could level mountains. They were pure chaos. But Thomas Dambo's trolls are different. They're land spirits, eco-warriors, almost similar to the Landveti. The lore says Big Pete is actually a gentle giant. He loves nature so much that he realized his massive feet were crushing the wildflowers every time he took a step. So he just sat down. He stopped moving to protect the small things around him. A pretty solid lesson for us modern people, I think. Okay, we've seen the giant. We know the lore. Now, we need the key. According to legend, there are 7 trolls hidden across North Carolina, in Raleigh, High Point, and here in Charlotte. They are protecting the location of the grandmother tree, the oldest tree in the forest. To find her, you need the code on Pete's necklace. There it is. If you're playing the global troll map game, this is your symbol for Charlotte. Take a screenshot now. Mission accomplished. We found the Jotun, and we secured the code. If you're in Charlotte, come by and check Big Pete out. It's a short walk and totally worth seeing the scale of this thing in person. Now I know some of you are hunting the other 6 trolls across the state. If you've already found the grandmother tree, let me know in the comments. But don't spoil the location for the rest of us. Keep the magic alive. See you on the next one.